everybody. Today we're going to unbox, take a close-up look and power on an Amazon warehouse used like new. Item will come in original packaging. Packaging will be damaged item. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So the item is a Levoit Core 400S Smart True HEPA Air Purifier, and just taking a look at the box packaging of this Amazon warehouse used like new. Item will come in original packaging. Packaging will be damaged item. So just giving you an all-round look at the box packaging. And now let's go ahead and open it up. Of course, cutting apart the sticky tape that's keeping the box lid together and sealed. Of course, popping out the box tab and giving you a look right there. And of course, opening up the box. And let's lift out the protective packaging from the box packaging, and of course we can set that to the side and giving you a direct look inside of the box. And let's lift out the Levoit Core 400S from its box packaging, and doing so very carefully. And of course, a look directly inside the box, so you can see what's included or not. So there is the clear plastic bag that's already been slipped off the air purifier. So just and setting it to the side, so just setting it on the right hand side, or left hand side actually, of the frame, and bringing the item, which is the Levoit Core 400S Smart True HEPA Air Purifier in view. So giving you a full look as best as I can right there, and of course the overall details as well. So I'm just going to slide that box slightly further out of the way so it doesn't interfere too much with the foreground as we focus and take a look at the air purifier, which is the Amazon warehouse used like new. Item will come in original packaging. Packaging will be damaged item. So giving you a full all-round look at the details of the air purifier. So this is a bulky item. I'm doing my best to give you a full view. And the various aspects of the overall condition of the item. So right there, setting it sideways, giving you a full view as I turn it on itself. Right there, slowly giving you the full details of the product. seen the front up close with the control panels or control panel at the top. And the overall condition. And of course the base or underside of the product as well. And let's open up the base or bottom of the air purifier by twisting or turning the bottom and lifting out the cover or base and giving you a look right there at the details. So as you can see, there are particles or lint on the filter itself. So it clearly has been used. So those overall details of the 3-stage air filter. So I'm just going to set it to the side and continue to show you the rest of the condition of the product. So right there. Okay, and just popping the filter back in. I'm just going to pick that little strand of hair off. And of course, making sure that the bottom of base is locked. As you can see, it does have a simple twist mechanism. And just picking off another strand of hair. Not sure how well you can see that. Nonetheless, just setting that down as well, and of course cleaning that through later on. But of course giving you a look at the plug as well. So it is a UK 3-pin plug. And giving you a look at the details of the plug. And there is, of course, right here is a warning label on the plug. And let's undo the cable tie as well. And just giving you an overall look at the condition of the cable. Okay, and let's of course turn and flip the air purifier back into the upright position. Plug the plug in and turn it on. So, plugging the plug in and flipping that power switch on. Now let's go ahead and turn it on by tapping on the panel at the top. can hear it gently operating very quietly. And let's toggle through the different fan speeds. So you can see, as indicated by the blue indicator light at the top, the different fan speeds for the Levoit Core 400S Smart True HEPA Air Purifier. And let's of course toggle through the buttons as well to make sure that they actually respond. So we can see they do respond to touch, and turning the air purifier off as well. And of course turning it back on, and all seems to work just fine. Let's toggle through the fan speeds once again. So that's the Amazon warehouse used like new. Item will come in original packaging. Packaging will be damaged item. Thanks for watching and happy ordering!